First, please remove the battery tab before you power the clock. The battery compartment is built in one CR2032 battery already for saving time and alarm settings only. Press the time setting button. The hour digital flashes. Then press the up or down button to adjust the correct hour. Press the time setting button again to enter the minute setting. The same way to adjust the correct minutes. Next, press the time setting button again to confirm and enter a time format, 12 or 24-hour setting. Also press the up or down button to adjust it. Finally, press the time setting button to confirm and exit the time setting. First, press the alarm button. The hour digital flashes. Then press the up or down button to adjust the correct hour. Press the alarm button again to enter the minute setting. The same way to adjust the correct minutes. Then press the alarm button to enter wake up sound setting. Press the up or down buttons to choose from bird chirping sound, piano sound, beep sound, or FM radio. Finally, press the alarm button to confirm and exit the alarm setting. When radio is off, press the volume up or volume down button to select the volume from 0 to 16 levels, and a number will be shown on the display. First, press the alarm button to turn on the alarm, or press the alarm button to stop the alarm when it's ringing. The alarm will go off next day. And when the alarm goes off, press the snooze button to snooze. The indicator alarm will flash on the display. The alarm will go off again 9 minutes later. But if you press and hold the alarm button for 2 seconds, the alarm will be turned off completely, and the indicator alarm will disappear on the display. Slide the display dimmer slider at the back of the clock to adjust the display brightness. It can be adjusted from 0 to 100%. Press the nightlight button to turn on and change the color of the nightlight. Press and hold 2 seconds to the nightlight button to turn off the nightlight. Press the radio button to turn on or off the FM radio. Press and hold the radio button for 2 seconds. FM radio will scan and auto-store at the scanned stations. Once the station search is completed, the first station will be played automatically. Press the up or down buttons to tune from auto-stored stations. When radio is on, press the up or down button to tune radio stations you like. Then press and hold time setting button until icon AL appear on the display screen. The clock immediately saves this station as wake up radio alarm sound. Press repeatedly the sleep timer button to select the sleep timer ranging from 15, 30, 60, 90, 120 minutes and off. The sleep timer will be seen on display. Finally, if you have any question, please contact us. We will try our best to help you.